All right, you know why we're here. So if you have any doubts or reservations, now's the time to say so. No one will think any less of you. Because once you enter this family, there's no getting out. This family comes before everything else. Everything. Before your wife, and your children, and your mother, and your father. It's a thing of honor. And God forbid, if you get sick or something happens and you can't earn, we'll take care of you. Because that's part of it. You stay within the family.